I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your logo into a Valentine's themed pattern using Canva. This is perfect if you want to give your brand, posts, or designs a fun seasonal upgrade without redesigning everything from scratch. And you can do this even if you're a complete beginner. No advanced design skills needed at all. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create and choose a square canvas. Once your blank canvas is open, the first step is transforming your logo into a Valentine's themed version. In this video, we're going to use Gemini AI for that, specifically the Nano Banana feature. To access it, open your browser, type in Gemini AI, and log in using your Google account. Once you're on the home page, upload your logo or brand icon. Then type a prompt like "Make a Valentine's themed variant of this image." Make sure Nano Banana is activated before you hit enter. When the image is done generating, download it to your device. Now go back to Canva and open your square canvas. On the left-hand panel, click on Apps. In the search bar, type Pattern Maker and open the app. Once it loads, upload the Valentine themed logo you generated earlier. If you want a clean and evenly aligned pattern, you can set the rows and columns to the same number depending on how dense you want the pattern to look. But if you want a more seamless and visually interesting pattern, I recommend setting the rows to 1 and the columns to 7. After that, duplicate the line of icons and place it diagonally from the first row. To save time, just select the pair, duplicate it, and repeat the same process until the entire canvas is filled. Once everything is in place, resize the pattern to remove any gaps or white spaces, and you're done. You now have a Valentine's themed pattern made from your own logo. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just turned your logo into a Valentine's themed pattern using Canva and AI. Perfect for social posts, backgrounds, packaging, or branding graphics. If you want more Canva tips, creative design ideas, and beginner-friendly tutorials like this, make sure to like, comment, and follow for more easy Canva tricks you can try right away. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.